Wow, brow scholar today. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mostly beauty, and today we're going to do our very last Boxycharm premium box. I didn't even know this was shipping until literally like a day before I actually got it, but yeah, I have used a couple items and some items I'm not too excited about, but I'm excited to see the merger between Ipsy and Boxycharm, and I'll post information about that in the description box below. First, we got the Ciate London Lychee and Acai Burst Conditioning Lip Oil. I love Ciate's packaging. It has like these droplets to it, kind of like watermelon seeds. And this does smell really, really good. It also has like a chromey kindness to it. Let me know if this reminds you of like high school or like middle school, like lip glosses, even like Bath and Body Works. But it smells really good. And then it's just like a purple too, purpley pink. And then I like that it's lip oil too. I like oils, so I don't have a lot of lip oils. I think I only have like 2 or 3, but it's very hydrating, but being sticky. Like I don't know. There's some of the oils that and it tastes it tastes good. I guess like I'm not gonna eat it, but you know, a little bit of it gets in your mouth. This is from Murad. And we get Murad a lot in Ipsy as well as Boxycharm, so it makes sense. But I do like that it is full size. That's one of the things I really like about Boxycharm. This is the Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewals Eye Serum. The packaging is really cool. I know it doesn't, I mean, it's plastic, but like, I don't know, there's something about the chromes, okay? And then there's something kind of sleek about them, but I did use this. I don't know if I noticed it's, okay. Let me know, do you guys notice a huge difference of eye creams? I know if you have like really, really severe dry skin, but like, can't you just use your moisturizer as long as it's not like super thick so that you get like, you know, the milia and everything? But I don't understand paying like a lot for an eye cream. Like e.l.f. has a really good one and it's pretty cheap and it's more like a water cream. So yeah, but I'm happy we got it, you know, I'm not gonna complain. This, I can't find out if it's vegan or not. Like it seems like it's vegan, but then it doesn't list that it's vegan on here. When I went online, I was looking more at the ingredients because I'm sorry, this font's like itty bitty. Mama's 30, so. And also I don't have really good eyes anyway. I wear contacts. So I saw an ingredient that I've had a reaction to on my lips before. It was the NYX, let's see, what was it? One of the NYX lip glosses, like the milkshake ones, and I had a horrible reaction where my lips literally were peeling off, like raw. It was disgusting. But yeah, it's linalool. I'll put it on the screen, but yeah, I was like, ugh, like that. And also this has a lot of fragrance, especially for like putting something on your face. I just don't understand this fragrance stuff. I don't get it. Like, is anybody like this? I mean, I've heard some people like this. I don't know, but I don't see anything about it being vegan. Like, it's just kind of weird. Like, yes, it's cruelty free. It says it's actually no. So it doesn't. I don't even see anything on here that says it's cruelty free. So I'm just gonna pass this on. Also, I have lots of cleansers. If you get these boxes, you get lots of skincare. I do like Grown Alchemist's packaging. It's just sleek and kind of looks fancy. But I have a small one of these. This is actually, oh, it's still plastic. Okay. So I got this when I was working at Ulta. I have a mini size of this. You guys notice a difference when you use toners? Because I looked it up and it was like, it's just basically gets the excess off. But like, if you double cleanse, I mean, I guess it's not bad, but like, also, is it worth like spending money on a cleanser? And I was reading too, if one has a lot of alcohol, it kind of defeats the purpose. Like it dries out your skin and it can cause more damage than good. And also, dermatologists don't necessarily recommend toners. So what I was reading is, and also I've been a dermatologist before, they recommend just cleansing, a retinol, sometimes and then a moisturizer and sunscreen, or like one, you know, maybe like a serum or something. But anyway, yeah. So this is certified toxic free, EWG verified, means it's not like super harmful to you, breathing it in and everything. Vegan certified organic, cruelty free, gluten free. So yeah, I mean, this has chamomile. I'm gonna have to tell my friend that because she has issues with chamomile. Supposed to balance. I mean, I have a mini of it and I'm not saying it's bad. I haven't had a reaction. I think it's pretty gentle, but it has rose, ginseng, and chamomile. I have my mini. I used it last night just to kind of refresh my memory. I don't think it has like a super, I have, okay, so I have really sensitive skin, so especially fragrances, and I just don't understand the point of putting fragrances in skincare. And then this was hilarious. I saw this on Shark Tank literally the night before I got this. So I'm filming this on Sunday, and I got my box on Saturday, and I watched Shark Tank, and it was the episode, it was like last week's episode. I watched it on Friday. But this is from Euphoria, which I thought it was like I don't know. I thought it said Aria, which is my daughter's name. But the packaging is really fun, and Mark Cuban is actually one of the partners, which he was like, I've never done this before. I've never been involved in a cosmetic brand, but he said his daughter and wife would really like it. So this is the blush oil. It's really cool. Oh, I don't know, it's just decoration, but it's supposed to be color changing. So I'll show you guys. And the only thing I will say about it, so it is an oil, and yeah, it's supposed to go to it's supposed to change color by your pH, which, you know, we've seen lip glosses like that before. I don't really notice a super noticeable scent. I used it on my face yesterday. I'm not using it today. Kind of forgot about it, but it was sort of sticky. Like, okay, I got dark hair. This is like my natural hair color, even though I color my grays, but like hair here and like little hairs were like literally like this, like sticking to it. And I'm like, I don't really like that. Like, that's kind of gross, but I'm gonna play with it some more. This is the chemical reaction, the bio blush. And now it has more shade, which they were talking about that on Shark Tank. It says dab 2 dots on each cheek and blend with brush. Keep applicator clean. Don't apply directly on lips. Keep away from direct sunlight. And it's a Korean based, it was made in Korea. So it was glowing, it was really pretty, and it feels like it dried down on my hand, so I don't know. Anyway, and then this was one of the items that I chose, and then I think I also chose, maybe I chose the Grown Alchemist toner. I don't really honestly remember what I chose. Last month was kind of like meh, and I chose this, but there was nothing else. Things get picked over so fast, and I kind of was confused, honestly, about the April box, because I was like, I know that they're merging, but I don't know if we're picking things like from which site. Now we're going to be going to the Ipsy site only, starting April 1st. So this is from the new, like NUE Co. It's a super thick scalp serum for hair density and scalp health. All right, my scalp health, maybe, but like, do you think I need any more thickening here? Like, this is after a haircut, by the way, like 2 weeks. Okay. When I get my haircut, it looks like I lost like 10 pounds because I have a lot of hair. So yeah, but let's go over the prices. I mean, it's okay. Not horrible, but not like, oh my God. And I also was surprised I didn't get a palette. I haven't always liked the palette, so maybe, you know. The Grown Alchemist Balancing Toner with Rose, Ginseng, and Chamomile is $36. And then the new Co Super Fix Scalp Serum is $45. Woo. I'm going to be giving that to my mother-in-law, so don't worry. Like, the things that I don't like or that I don't want, I give to friends and family. The Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum is... Okay, take a guess. Put it in the comments and come back. It's $89. I know that they're expensive, but like, supposed to prevent and reduce the look of wrinkles all around the eyes, including the eyelids. With this patented technology for potent yet gentle results, all ages and sensitive skin welcome. Helps minimize the signs of aging. Provides hydration, dryness. You know, provides hydration to reduce dryness. Blah. And then it also delivers an instant dose of retinol. Okay, so I mean, but you can also just use like retinol too, but maybe it's better in that formula. I don't know. Still $89. I would not buy that. And then the Euphoria Bio Blush, BYO Blush, is $36. Apparently it's the first of its time color changing blush oil. I mean, whether or not, I feel like you've seen color changing products before. Lipstick Queen. And I feel like we've seen it before where it like changes that pink kind of color. Also like It Cosmetics, I don't know if they make it still, but a lip gloss that changed color. Maybe we just haven't seen it when it comes to blush. Or I don't think I've ever really used a blush oil. I've used like cream blushes, but not a blush oil. So it's supposed to give it's the secret to everyday no makeup look. I mean, yeah, I don't really do that very often. a universally flattering blush that reacts to your skin's natural pH to instantly give you the perfect shade of natural flush. The Ciate London Fruit Burst Hydrating Lip Oil was $16, which I really like. Yeah, zero stickiness. Very nourishing. And then the cleanser from La Palette Beauty Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser is $32. This one-step vitamin C cleanser helps to brighten skin while removing debris and makeup. It's a jelly formula, and it contains 88% moisturizing essence to keep your skin hydrated. So I personally, this is really good. I don't know if I would pay $16, but I mean, I don't think that's like outrageous. I'm looking forward to using you and you making me like look like I haven't aged at all since I was like, 10. Okay, you now probably me giving that to somebody. I'm excited for this. I'm happy about the toner. I'm not gonna complain about that. This is gonna go to a good home, so because I already have super thick hair, so I don't need that. And then the blush oil, I'm excited to play with a little bit more. So the box definitely paid for itself. So this was, I think it's like $39, or it's like $30-something, but then with taxes and shipping and all that kind of stuff, it ends up being like $40 a month. So I'm excited for April and the choices, and I'm going to be filming the choices. I want to do that again. I want to film the choices and what I chose, or what I'm going to choose, and then spoilers and everything. Please check out my TikTok, BeingBrie823, as well as my Instagram. I post pretty regularly on TikTok on boxes and new makeup releases, which I need to do more. And then I always do my daily look on my shorts, reels, and TikToks. So yeah, enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.